So, which of the following contains less number of molecules? Which of the following contains less number of molecules? It is carbon dioxide or 32 gram of sulfur dioxide.
So this is done.
2 gram of dihydrogen or 40 gram
So
of
this is done.
dioxide. So, which contains less number of molecules? Already calculate in this way. 11 gram carbon dioxide means 11 divided by 44.
Yes, sir.
44 is the molecular weight of the carbon dioxide. Okay. 11 divided by 44. This is the number of moles. Into Avogadro number means number of molecules. So 11 divided by 44 and sulfur dioxide, that's mean 32 divided by 64 and dihydrogen means 2 divided by 2, that's mean 1 and 40 divided by 3 into 16 plus 32. Okay. So number of molecules equal to weight divided by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Okay. So here this is the less number of molecules. So 11 gram of carbon dioxide contains less number of molecules. Next question: the gas having same number of molecules as 16 gram of 16 gram of which one? 16 gram of
Means half
sulfur
mole.
trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. So the gas having same number of molecules as 16 gram of dioxygen is, because 16 gram means it is half mole oxygen. Okay. So which one is the correct? You know, molecular weight divided by molecular weight into Avogadro number is the number of molecules. Okay. So 16 gram of dioxygen, it contains 0.5 moles of oxygen. 1 gram of dihydrogen, it also contains 0.5 moles of hydrogen. Yes. So option B is the correct. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
The weight of gaseous mixture containing 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen and 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide. So which one is the correct? The weight of gaseous mixture containing Avogadro number molecules of nitrogen and 3.01 in 10 to the power 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide. That's mean half mole of
Yes, sir.
sulfur dioxide. Okay. So weight of gaseous mixture. That's mean nitrogen means 28 gram. Okay. And weight of sulfur dioxide. Okay. Weight of sulfur dioxide is this. Which one is it? It is the weight of
The 92.
nitrogen and it is the weight of sulfur dioxide. Number of divided by Avogadro number into 64 is the molecular weight. Clear? So this 60. C is the correct.
Sir?
Yes.
So what was the answer?
C. Option C. This is 60.
Oh,
Weight of the nitrogen plus weight of the sulfur trioxide. Because sulfur trioxide, 1 mole sulfur trioxide equal to 32 plus 3 into 16 equal to 64. Okay. So it is the 1 mole sulfur trioxide equal to 64 gram. Then half mole, okay, is 32 gram. And nitrogen already 1 mole, it is 20 gram. So total is 60 gram. Next, 1 liter of gas is twice as heavy as 1 liter of methane under the same condition. The gas is the 1 liter of a gas is twice as heavy as 1 liter of methane under the same condition. The gas is, which one is the correct? Is it ozone? Is it dioxygen? Is it carbon dioxide? Or it is sulfur dioxide? Which one is the correct? 1 liter of gas is twice as heavy as 1 liter of methane. You know the formula of methane. 12 plus 4 is 16. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. So molecular weight of the methane is 16. So 1 liter of gas is twice heavy as 1 liter of methane. Okay. So molecular weight of this.
Sir, B. Sir, B.
32. Yes. Shall which one is the correct? 32 gram. Yes. So methane and ozone is 43 and oxygen is 32. Yes. And carbon dioxide is 44. So his double is 32. Okay. So option, which one is correct? Option 2.
Sir, 2.
Question. The density of a gas at STP is 1.5 gram per liter at STP. Its molecular weight is, the density of the gas is 1.5 liter. That's mean weight of 1 liter equal to 1 liter equal to 1.5 gram. Okay, then 22.1 liter equal to this, and 22.4 liter equal to 1.5 into 0.4 liter
33.6
gram. Okay, then this is the molecular weight. So which one is the correct?
Sir, B.
This B. Yes.
Sir, C.
Option B is yes. Both B and C is the same answer. Yes. Value is same here. B and C contains the same value. Okay. The molecular weight of gas is 64. Its density under STP condition is, now it is the opposite of.
64 divided by 22.4.
So which one is the correct answer? Density equal to mass by volume, you know, 64.
Sir, D.
22.4 is the correct answer. Right. If the weight of 5.6 liter of a gas at STP is 11 gram, the gas is, if the weight of 5.6 liter of gas at STP is 11 gram, then the gas is, you know, 5.6 liter equal to 11 gram, then 22.4 liter equal to,
Sir, carbon dioxide.
this is the nitrous oxide, N2O. Okay.
So carbon dioxide is also same.
What is the 5.6 equal to 11? Then 22.4 equal to 11 into 4 divided by 5.6. Then 5.6, it is 4. Yes, carbon dioxide is also. But here there is no carbon dioxide, it is nitrous oxide. Okay. 44 means nitrous oxide means N2O. It contains 28 plus 16. It is also 44. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The number of atoms present in 4.2 gram of ammonia is approximately. It is also approximately Avogadro number. Yes. It is approximately 6 into 10 to the power 20. Okay, the number of atoms, weight divided by molecular weight into atomicity into Avogadro number. This is 6.6 10 to the power 23. It is nearly Avogadro number.
Yes, sir.
The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of a gas at STP is known as. The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of gas at STP is known as Avogadro number, or which one? The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of gas at STP is. Which one is the correct?
Sir, Boltzmann.
Huh? It is not Avogadro number. It is actually Los number. Okay. This is very, important information. Okay. The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of a gas at STP is known as Loss-Smith number. Okay. This is information. The vapor density of gas is 22. It is a vapor density. So vapor density of a gas is 22. It can't be.
Sir, 22.1 liters.
Huh? No, just 22.
So,
It is density. Vapor density. Okay.
oh,
Vapor density, since it is a ratio, there is no unit. Okay. Vapor density. It is not density, it is vapor density. Okay. 2 into vapor density, you know, 2 into vapor density equal to molecular weight. The vapor density of gas is 22. It cannot be, because if it is 22 is the vapor density, then its molecular weight will be
44 grams.
44. It will be carbon dioxide, but it cannot be. It is carbon dioxide. So it cannot be carbon dioxide. It is not true. Nitrous oxide, it is also 44. Open, it is also 44. It cannot be methane. Yes, because methane, the atomic molecular weight of methane is only 16. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So molecular weight, this is methane. Okay or not? Maximum number of atoms present in in 14 gram of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, 2 gram of dihydrogen, 11.2 liter of nitrogen at ST, or 1.5 gram atoms of helium. Which one is the correct? Again, you know that number of atoms equal to weight divided by molecular into Avogadro number.
Sir, B.
Atomicity, yes.
Sir, B.
So which one is the correct? B. 2 gram of dihydrogen. Yes. 2 gram of dihydrogen, it contains 2 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms.
Yes.
Question number 45. The volume of 1.5 gram atoms of helium gas at standard condition of temperature and pressure is. The volume of 1.5 gram atoms of helium gas under standard condition. Which one is the correct? Which one is the correct? The volume of 1 gram atom of helium, you know, it is 22.4 liter for any gas. 1 gram atom or 1 gram molecule. Since helium is the noble gas, its atomicity and molecular weight and atomic weight is the same. Okay. So volume of 1 gram atom of helium equal to 22.4 liter. So volume of 1.5 gram atoms of helium is equal to 22.4 into 5, 1.5. Okay. Here it is 33.6 liter. Next, a pair of gaseous having same number of molecules, you can also calculate it. 22 gram of carbon dioxide, that's mean 0.5 mole. Okay. So it is not, first one is not correct. 11 gram carbon dioxide is 0.25 moles. And this is, there is a 0.5 moles plus 1 mole. So it is not correct. 44 gram carbon dioxide, 1 mole. And 7 gram nitrogen, that is 1/4 mole. Okay. And 11 gram carbon dioxide and 7 gram nitrogen. Correct, yes?
Sir D. Sir D.
Yes. Option D is the correct. Because 11 gram carbon dioxide contains only 1/4, and also for nitrogen it is 1/4 moles. Okay.
Yes.
So number of molecules equal to weight divided by molecular weight into N into atomicity. Which of the following contains more number of moles of substance in it? 90 gram of water, that's mean 5 moles water, yes, because 1 mole water equal to 18 gram. So 90 gram water is, what is this? 90 gram water,
5 moles.
5 moles. 130 gram of carbon dioxide, you know, 44 gram equal to 1 mole. Okay, then 130 gram will be 130 into 1 divided by 44. And 18.6 liter of oxygen at STP and 12 gram of dihydrogen. 12 gram dihydrogen means, you know, 2 gram equal to 1 mole, then 12 gram equal to 6 mole. Okay, so yeah, we can say this is
Sir D. Sir D.
so 6 mole hydrogen. So substance having more number of moles is, again, 90 gram, 90 gram, is it correct? Now the case is 90 gram of water, correct? Next देखो,
Yes, sir.
90 gram of water,
5.
12 gram of hydrogen STP, 24 gram of helium, okay, 3.01 10 to the power 24 molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay, which one is the correct?
Sir C.
Option
C.
C, yes. This is correct. Next, when equal masses of methane and sulfur dioxide are taken, then the ratio of their molecule is, which one is the correct? Which one is correct? Ratio of molecules is equal to inverse ratio of their molecular weights. If the weights are equal, then it is 4:1. Okay. Ratio of molecules is equal to the inverse ratio of their moles molecular weight. If the weights are equal, okay, it is 4:1.
4:1.
Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Which one is the correct? 0.5 moles of a gas, molecular weight 20, occupies 11.2 liters at STP. The volume occupied by 0.25 mole of a liter gas at STP will be, okay, 0.5 moles of a gas occupies 11.2 liter at STP. The volume occupied by 0.25 moles of a liter gas at STP will be, which one is the correct? No, 1 mole of occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Okay. Then 0.25 mole of gas occupies 5.6 liter at STP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So option B is the correct answer. The number of nitrogen in 1 mole of hydrogen is the number of neutrons. Nitrogen. No? The number of neutrons in 1 mole of hydrogen is, you know, the normal hydrogen does not contain any neutron. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is 0. So option C is the correct. Hydrogen, normal hydrogen, neutrons are absent.
Yes, sir.
Volume occupied by 4 gram of ethylene at STP in liter is, which volume occupied by 4 gram of ethylene at STP in liter is, which one is the correct? 28 gram contains 22.4 liter nitrogen. Yes. For ethylene formula is C2 is 4. Okay, that is 12 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Okay, so this is 28. It is like nitrogen. Yes, molecular weight of nitrogen is also 28. So 28 gram ethylene equal to 22.4 liter ethylene gas. So 4 gram ethylene gas equal to 3 gram.
3.2.
This is that. Now, 200 cc of a gas measured at STP has a mass of 0.268 grams. Molecular weight of the gas is, which one is the correct? 200 cc of gas measured at STP has mass. So 200 cc equal to 0.268 gram. Then 22400 cc means the number of gram is, in this way you can calculate. Okay. It will be the molecular mass. So 200 cc equal to 0.268 gram. Then 22400 cc means 30 gram. Clear? So molecular weight of the gas is 30 gram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The correct. How many moles of magnesium phosphate will contain 0.25 moles of oxygen atoms? And at first you should calculate the molecular mass of magnesium phosphate. You know magnesium is 24 gram atomic weight. So 24 into 3 plus phosphorus is 31 into 2. Oxygen is 16 into 8. Okay. So this is the molecular mass. So which one is the correct answer? This is the 1 mole. We should calculate how many moles. Okay, 0.25 moles of oxygen. This contains
1 mole.
Oh, there is the 1 mole contains Avogadro number, so 0.25 moles contains. We should not calculate the molecular weight. Okay, we should not calculate because 1 mole magnesium phosphate. Okay, it contains 8 moles of oxygen atom. Okay, that is 8 mole of oxygen atom. 4 into 2. Okay, so 0.25 moles contains 0.25 divided by 8. This is 3.125 into 10 to the power minus 2 atoms. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear? Good. Option C is the correct answer. A gaseous mixture contains hydrogen and dinitrogen in the ratio of 1:4 by weight. The ratio of their number of molecules is. Which one is the correct? A gaseous mixture contains dioxygen and dinitrogen in the ratio of 1:4 by weight. The ratio of their number of molecules is. Gaseous mixture contains dioxygen and dinitrogen. The ratio of 1:4 by weight. The ratio of their number of molecules. If it is 4:1, 1:4, it is by weight. You know, dioxygen and dinitrogen. You can take the molecular mole ratio and molecular ratio is the same. Okay, but weight ratio may be different. Okay, because molecular weight of the dinitrogen and dioxygen will be different. The number of molecules are in the ratio number of moles, and we can calculate in this way that weight divided by molecular weight equal to number of moles. Number of moles equal to, for if it is oxygen, the number of moles of oxygen, weight of oxygen divided by molecular weight of oxygen. Okay, and number of moles of nitrogen equal to weight of oxygen, weight of nitrogen divided by molecular weight of nitrogen. Okay, clear? So we can say that NO2 divided by N2 equal to that's mean weight of oxygen divided by weight of nitrogen into 28 divided by 32. Yes, answer. Then it will be the ratio of 7:32 in this way. Okay, it is 7:. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Because there is a m by wo by wn equal to here 1/4. Okay. Next question. 14-liter flasks are separately filled with the gaseous dihydrogen, helium, dioxygen and ozone at the same temperature and pressure. The ratio of the total number of atoms of these gases present in different flasks would be
Same, sir.
4-liter flasks separately filled with gases by dihydrogen, helium, dioxide, ozone at the same temperature and pressure. The ratio of the total, that's mean 1:1:1. Yes, because you know Avogadro number, the same at the same temperature contains same number of molecules or moles. Yes. So Avogadro's law according to Avogadro's law, it is 14-liter flask are separately filled with gaseous dihydrogen. The ratio of the total number of atoms of this gaseous present in different flasks would be different flasks. Okay, 14-liter flasks are separately filled with gaseous dihydrogen, helium, dioxide, and ozone at the same temperature and pressure. The ratio of the total number of atoms, it is not the mole. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
moles should be same, but ratio of the atom, because dihydrogen means 2 atom. Okay, helium means 1 atom, and dioxide means 2 atom, and ozone means, for this reason, atomic ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
The total volume of mixture of 2 grams of helium and 7 grams of nitrogen under STP condition is the total volume of mixture of 2 grams of helium and 7 grams of nitrogen under STP condition is, which one is that? 2 grams of helium, you know, 2 divided by 4 is half mole of helium. Okay, half mole of helium.
Yes. C.
It is C.
Yes. 16.8.
Yes, 16.8. Yes. Yes. Next question. 4.6 into 10 to the power 22 of an element weight 13.8 grams. The atomic mass of the element is, which one is that? 4.6 into 10 to the power 22 equal to 13.8 gram. Okay. Then Avogadro number equal to 180 gram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The weight of one molecule of a compound, that is C60 is 122, is weight of one molecule of the atom compound. You can calculate the molecular weight, okay, of C16
Yes.
is 122. Weight of one molecule, then weight of one molecule, so we can calculate it by Avogadro number. Okay, 1 mole equal to, you can calculate 60 into 12 plus 122 into 1. This is the molecular weight. You know Avogadro number equal to this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Number of molecules weight is this, then one molecule 60 into 12 plus the 22 into 1 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So which one is the correct here? Oh, hello? It is the option 4. Yes. So in this way you can calculate the molecular weight. This is actually 800. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
The mass of 112 meter cube, that means cc or of methane at STP. You know methane is 16 gram. 16 gram molecular weight of the methane is 16 gram. So 16 gram equal to at 22.4 liter and 112 cc. Okay. So in
Just
this way,
5 moles of. Oh, sorry.
you should calculate in gram. Okay. That is 16 gram equal to 2240 ml or centimeter cube. Okay. This is 16 gram. Then 112 ml equal to, okay, this is. So 16 into 112 divided by 2240. Okay. So which one is the correct? At 0.08.
08.
Okay. This is the correct answer. A sample of ammonium phosphate. A sample of ammonium phosphate contains 6 moles of hydrogen atoms. 6 moles of hydrogen atoms. Yeah. The number of moles of oxygen atoms in the sample is, which one is the correct? A sample of ammonium phosphate contains 6 moles of hydrogen atoms. The number of moles of oxygen atom in the sample is ammonium phosphate.
So what is the formula? The formula?
Ammonium phosphate. Okay, this is 3. NH4 whole 3 pure. This is the ammonium phosphate. Okay, NH4 whole 3 pure 4 ammonium phosphate. So at first you should calculate the molecular weight. This contains 1 mole.
Sir, 2.
4 oxygen.
B.
Yes.
Sir, B.
1 molecule contains 4 oxygen. So B, yes, 2. Clear?
Yes.
I think this will be the last one. Okay. Molecular weight of a gas is 40. The volume occupied by 2.2 gram of gas is. Which one is the correct? 1.12 liter, 1.4 liter, or 5.6 liter. Molecular weight of
Sir, A.
gas,
Sir, 1.12 liters.
it is weight divided by molecular weight into 22.4 liter.
Yes. Yes.
So it is 1.12 liter. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
so last one you should calculate. Last one. This is the last one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The mass of sulfur atoms in gram. देखो.
Sir, in AMU.
ये एक gram. हाँ. Yes. Mass of sulfur
So,
atoms.
sir, A. Sir, A.
No. It is actually
Oh, अच्छा, gram is B.
molecular
B.
weight. B. Yes. B. Yes. B. In AMU. Yes. Okay. So next class I will go for the another chapter. Okay. And I think you can proceed for your exam. Okay. Stoichiometry.
Yes.
Stoichiometry. In this chapter, I will take an exam.